How to delete Instagram Lite account permanently. So if you want to delete your Instagram Lite account, then first of all you need to open up the Instagram Lite application and then make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, you can simply go for the bottom right corner which has your profile icon, and go for the upper right corner which has that three-bar icon. Go for settings, and under settings you can go for health, and now you can go for health center, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that three-bar icon. Go for manage your account, and under manage your account you will have delete your account. So simply go for delete your account, and then go for delete your Instagram account. And now you will have these bunch of options. You can go for mobile browser help, and then simply scroll down and go for delete your account, which is written with the blue ink. And now it will automatically take you to delete your account on your Chrome browser. So what you have to do is you have to simply tap on that drop down bar, and then you have to choose a reason why you would like to delete your account. After choosing, now you have to re-enter your password, and after entering your password, tap on delete West Linda, which is my account username. You have to simply tap on delete, and after entering your password, simply tap on delete, which is on the bottom of your screen, and your account will be deleted. So that's it. That's how you delete your Instagram Lite account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.